Good morning, children. How do you do? I hope you all fine and stay healthy. Welcome to grade 3 math class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 3 ordering numbers part 3. Okay, children, from this session we are going to learn first before, after and between numbers. Okay, children. See children, the first one we are going to discuss about before number. What is mean by before number? See, a number just before any number is less than it. Any number is 1 less than it. What is mean by before number? A number just before any number is 1 less than it. That 1 less than is nothing, just we subtract 1 to the given number. Okay children, shall we move on to the example? See children, our first example is what comes before. What comes before? Our question is 58. 58. See children, if we subtract 1 from the given number means what we'll get? 58 minus 1. So we get 57. So 57 is the before number of 58. Okay children, look at the example B. See, we have a 9. That example is 9. What is if we subtract 1 from the 9 means we get 8. We get 8. 8 is the before number of 9. Okay children, shall we move on to the next one? See, in this session we are going to learn about after number. What is mean by after number? A number just after any number is more than it. More than it. More than means nothing. Just we add 1 to the given number. Just we add 1 to the given number. Okay children, shall we move on to the exam? See, what comes after? What comes after? See, our question is 76. Our question is 76. See children, already I said how can we find the after number? We add 1 to the given number. See children, if we add 76 plus 1 means what we get? 77. So 77 is the after number of 76. Okay children, shall we move on to the next one? See, look at the next example. 543. 543. The same thing only. So if we add 543 plus 1 means what we get? So 544. So 544 is the after number of 543. Okay children, shall we move on to the next one? See, now we are going to discuss about between number. What is mean by between numbers? A number between two numbers is in their middle. A number between two numbers is in their middles. Okay children, shall we move on to the examples? See, what comes between? Our question is 45 and 47. So what is the between number of 45 and 47? Okay children, 46 is the middle number of 45 and 47. So 46 is the between number of 45 and 47. Okay children, look at the next one. See, 79 and 81. 79 and 81. What comes between? Yes, 80. So 80 is the middle number of 79 and the 81. The same thing, the 80 is the between number of 79 and 81. Okay children, shall we move on to the next one? See, now we are going to learn about ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means to write the given numbers from the smallest to the greatest. It means nothing, just we arrange the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Okay children, shall we move on to the examples? See, we take an example of 56, 35, 42 and 73. See what we want to do? See, we have to arrange the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. This only we learnt, what is mean by ascending order. Ascending order means we arrange the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. See children, look at the set of numbers. From the set of numbers, which is smaller number? Yes, 35. So we take the 35 and write. The next one, 42. So we take and write as a 42. The next one, 56. So I take a 56. At last we have a 73. So 35, 42, 56 and 73. So we arrange the order from the smallest number to the greatest number. Okay children, shall we move on to the next one? Now we are going to discuss about descending order. Descending order means to write given numbers from the greatest to the smallest. That means nothing children. We arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Shall we move on to the example? Arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Now only we learnt about descending order. Descending order means we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Greatest to the smallest. See children, here I have given the set of numbers of examples. For examples, see from this examples which is greater, 74 or 82? Yes, 82. So I take 82. The next one, 74. Super children. Then 51 and 33, which is the greater? Yes, 51. So I take the 51. At last, 33. See children, 82, 73, 51 and 33. These numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Okay children, I hope you all very clear in today's topic. Now we are in homework part. Do the given assignment in practice book. Refer practice book page number 18. Then learn and write the multiplication table 2 for one time. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.